Hello everyone, my name is Swane Aorangi Bartlett. I'm a violet ray twin flame in Parakai, New Zealand, and this is day 4 without running water and electricity. We had a friend bringing over a generator this morning, and I was privileged to have a cold shower and having the ability to wash my hair and get fill up some water bottles with water. It's been pretty interesting having to do without the basic necessities in a first world country. As you all know, I've been diagnosed as a complex post-traumatic stress disorder personality, and I was quite okay with having to deal without the basic necessities of life with the first 2 days or so, but I started to kind of feel a little bit traumatized this morning, and I just want to show you my view. I just find it really interesting that the company that is supposed to supply us with electricity is taking so long to restore it. I mean, this is not a big storm, it's a little storm. I come from Port Elizabeth, where 120-kilometer winds for 3 months from September, October, August, that's powerful, of course, that's normal. And South African, being a third world country, seem to be coping quite okay, with that about 15 years ago. So it's not the same now, I know. But what this has done, this experience, is letting me know that I am, it's sort of like in my face, I'm experiencing my trauma in my environment outside of myself, and I feel like I most probably will do a couple of videos on trauma, my experiences on trauma. I've been a trauma victim since the day I was born, throughout my childhood, and finally it's catching up on me where I have to go for counseling and try and find a way to process all my emotions. So I get the feeling that I'll most probably do a little bit of that. Um, and I'm terribly, terribly disappointed that I can't get my Heart Solutions videos out. It's really hard because in the town where I live, most of the commercial section of the town has been fully restored, but there's still many of us that won't have electricity until they say now next week Tuesday, which means like it's a whole week without electricity and running water. And to me that is kind of like, I don't know, I just feel it's totally unacceptable for a first world country, and the situation that this was, that brought this about is like, it's just unacceptable. Maybe it's the trauma part of myself that is expressing this. Yes, I know I should take responsibility for myself, and I should most probably think of getting a little gas stove or some more other emergency contingency for myself. But because this is just a little storm, it's like, in comparison with what I've experienced in my life, this just totally left me off guard, and so I'm struggling to process my environment. I'm struggling to process my emotions. I am suffering from anxiety at night because there's nothing here. I'm all by myself. It's just myself and Kitty. So I was just thinking, with all this time that I have to spend in silence, it's sort of like making me think that perhaps I should make some videos on trauma and my personal experiences with trauma, being raised by a narcissistic mother. That's information that I'm actually processing at the moment, which I find very difficult. Um, but yes, I just want to say thank you for watching, thank you for following, thank you for commenting. I'm sorry I haven't answered back yet. I'm sorry I'm not posting daily tarot. It's a big disappointment for me that I can't do that between living rural and still having my part-time job at our grocery store and having to function without the basic means of life, basic necessities. I find is a bit challenging for me. If I wasn't as traumatized as I was, I most probably would have been able to cope better. But I'm doing the best I can. So, and I just want to say to anyone out there who has been going through similar experiences where you have to go through life without the basic necessities and having to experience trauma. I send you love and loving support, and I believe through the collective consciousness we can be there for each other. So hopefully I'll be able to post again on Monday. Today is Saturday. I don't know. I'm not holding my breath. I'm just taking one day, each day as it comes. So thank you for watching, everyone. I hope to connect with you